Hi, do you use circle to search feature on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10? Firstly, let me explain to you what does this feature means. So, for example, you are out for a walk and you saw a cute puppy and now you wanna know its breed, right? So you took a photo of it and now you don't know what to do. The circle to search feature will help you out. So let me show you how it works. I'm gonna open internet and here I found this pic of cute puppies. And now to find out its breed, I just need to trigger circle to search. For that, we need to hold this middle button, home button, for a couple of seconds so we can see this tab appears. And now we'll need to simply circle or tap those puppies like that. And Google gave us similar results. So now we know its breed, which is Golden Retriever. And I think this is pretty cool because you can use this feature in your gallery in TikTok. So for example, you saw cute video with cute dress in TikTok, right? You can just trigger circle to search by holding the button, circle this dress, and Google will give you similar results even with prices. So as an example, I'm gonna open gallery and here I got this photo of goblet. So let's trigger circle to search. And now I'm gonna tap on it like this. And Google give me those results. So I can even buy this goblet here. I can see similar results, prices. Let's go in products. And yep, we got information in stock, we can buy this goblet and so on. So you can use it anywhere you want, even on your home page. For example, we can just circle settings. And now we'll see similar results. Let's just do it one more time. Just settings like that. And yep, here is the result. So that's it, how it works. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.